morning everyone. Today's the start of my vlog for the week of October 26th to November 1st. So I'm actually gonna head out to school now. I'm not running late, but I did wake up later, but it's fine because I don't have to wear makeup and I just have one class. So right now it's just 10:57. So I'm gonna head out now to my first class, grab some breakfast. Okay, so I just finished taking a shower. I also washed my mask before then. I was gonna record it, but honestly, I just washed my mask with soap, so nothing really out of this world. But I purchased this back in quarantine and I have not used it. I think I purchased it honestly back in April and we're already in October, so I was like, you know what, I honestly want to get rid of this because I just didn't have really any place for me to put it. So I'm gonna try it, which is the exfoliating foot peel. This is apparently is the one that when you apply it after a few days your skin starts to like peel off and then your feet end up being like as soft as a baby. That's what this claims, so I'm gonna try it. The reason why I haven't tried it is because you have to wear them for over an hour. All right, okay, so I'm taking it out. This is what's inside. Okay, so a lot has happened since I last left off. My battery died. So after I did the foot mask, I didn't really do anything in between except eat. So I just washed it off and my feet just feel really soft. So I guess in 5 to 7 days we'll find out if it worked or not. But I'm now gonna start doing my makeup and I'm gonna start filming the YouTube video and then filming other content for TikTok and Instagram. I feel like I haven't done it in a while, so, and it hasn't even been that long. It's probably been since like last week, but I'm excited to just get on that roll. And I also wanted to show you guys what I purchased from The Ordinary. I went into their store and just got two things. So the first one is this item right here. I honestly really don't know how to pronounce these names. So this is the acid suspension 10%. Like I said, I don't know how to pronounce these names, so judge me all you want. These are like the most complicated names for products, but yeah. So I use the first one as my acne treatment, and then the second one is supposed to help with pores and just acne scars. So I've been using this for a while now, I think since maybe the summertime, and it's been doing pretty well with my skin, so I just decided to repurchase it again. Okay, so ignored my air conditioner, but I just received my package from Mellow Way Makeup and they sent me these 4 products. So the first one is a brow gel and it has tint in it, so it will be filling in my eyebrows and gelling them at the same time. This is in the color Molten Chocolate, which is not focusing. Okay, there you go. And then I got a black mascara. And then I also got a brown mascara in the color Cherry Cola. And then the last mascara that I got is in Mint Cream. So I've actually never tried any mascaras that are another color other than green. So I'm super excited to try those out to just see how they look on me. And then lastly, I got a mascara primer. And I'm super excited to try out all of their products. I haven't tried them yet. And they're also cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. So I just finished filming one more outfit TikTok, and now I'm just gonna go to Chick-fil-A and buy some food. Before they close at 9, and my best friend got me a gift card for my birthday from them, and I haven't used it, so I'm just gonna go use it now. Okay, so I just got back from Chick-fil-A, and I'm about to get ready to eat. I just opened my laptop because I'm gonna watch a show. It was definitely a walk, but I'm ready to eat now. Okay, so I just finished filming one of my videos, which was the how I shoot my content by myself, and I literally had to re-film that video because I did not like how it was going, and I just noticed that I was like repeating things and everything was backwards. So I redid it in the order that I wanted and spoke less of what was just not necessary, and I feel like it went well. So now I'm going to see if I film a second video, but my neck hurts from sitting here, so I'm not really sure if I should just put a pillow or just wait till I film it tomorrow. Hopefully I can film that content for the video that I just shot soon because I do want to get that uploaded. And I think, oh, as you guys can see, I've been staring at this camera with those lights for too long. Okay, wow, that just made my eyes feel better. I was gonna say something and I completely forgot. Oh yes, so for that video, I think I have it planned for me to upload it within 2 weeks, so I guess I still have time, but I just wanted to get that part because that was supposed to be uploaded Sunday and I couldn't because midterms. Okay, so I just finished shooting for my last thing of content for today. I'm so happy that I'm done and tomorrow we got some more content for a shooting. But tomorrow's gonna be an exciting day because I have more things to do, and I will be outside tomorrow because we're gonna do some exploring, which I'll talk about more tomorrow. But now I'm going to clean my room, and I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning my room. Good morning, it's Tuesday now, so here we are. I just finished getting ready, and I also finished filming my morning routine video. So super exciting that I was able to knock out 3 videos, 2 last night and 1 this morning, because now I'm ahead in 2 weeks. And then I also have this vlog, which is gonna be another video. So super excited that I'm being super productive. But now that I finished filming that video, I'm just waiting on my cousin to start coming on her way over here. So we're just exploring New York City because she's from Florida and she hasn't visited New York in a really long time. So I'm just showing her Soho. We're going to Washington Square Park. We're going to 14th. We're gonna see if we can walk the High Line today. Just all of those fun things that she hasn't seen yet, and which are some of my favorite places to go. And while I'm here waiting, let's just ignore this. I haven't been able to get the sticker off of my mirror, but I'm just gonna show you guys a quick outfit of the day. So my sunglasses are from Amazon. My necklaces, these 2 are from By Lolita. This one is from Gem & Co, I'm pretty sure. Then I have this sweater vest from Shein, and if you guys saw my last video, you know where I got this. Then my trench coat is from Zara. My belt is from Princess Polly. These jeans are a golden jeans, I think that's how you pronounce it. And then I have my ones on, or I should say my Air Force ones. And that is the look for today. Okay, so I'm with my cousin. Hey. She has a small mess around her lips. We're just gonna ignore that. That's the face mask, but it's time to eat. Our first stop was Prince Street Pizza, and we're excited. This is our first time, and I just love this pizza. Okay, we're gonna eat now. So now we are in Soho, back again, and we are at Felix Roastery Co. And I got a latte, and she got a cappuccino and
ricotta and fig and prosciutto.
Okay, yeah, it looks super good. So I haven't eaten anything. This is my breakfast and lunch. So we're gonna figure out dinner plans, and then we're not really sure what we're gonna do today, but we might walk the Brooklyn Bridge. We could do that depending, but if we were to do that, we have to do that after this. I mean, we're close by, it's not far. But yeah. Good morning, guys. So it's currently Thursday and I've just been indoors all day so far. I had my Zoom class and kind of just been relaxing and trying to see if I could take these nails off because I'm gonna give my nails a break. They're extremely weak, so I'm just gonna at least give myself maybe like a week or two for them to breathe. But now I'm gonna go to a diner with Jessie, and I'm not gonna bring my camera since we're really just going there real quick and just grabbing some food. But that's kind of what's going on today since it's like just raining outside. I'm just staying indoors. Me and my cousin, we were gonna hang out today, but we decided we're just gonna relax since we've had 2 very busy days and we've just been walking around a lot. So that's kind of what's going on. And I also have a pimple on my forehead and I'm just like kind of tired, and I also have a lot of homework to do that I want to get done before the weekend starts. So that's kind of what's going on today. Okay, so I'm back from the diner and I just received 2 packages from Amazon, so we're gonna open them up. Oh my god, I can't open this box. Ugh, okay, first of all, so much bubble wrap for no reason. Like, no reason at all. Like, you would think, like, look what's inside this box. This and this. Like, was there such a need for a big box this big? But it's fine. So the first thing I got was an what are these? I got an SD card that is 128 gigabytes. So then I ordered a new tripod because I think when I sold my camera, I accidentally didn't keep the part of the camera that goes on the bottom. If you guys know what I'm talking about, for like you to like screw the camera on, there's like a little part from this tripod that you could actually take it off and keep it on your that you could keep on your camera, so that when you were to just use a tripod, you just click it back on. And when I sold my camera, I think it was still connected to it, so I had to order the same tripod because I love that tripod just for that small piece, because I just know they don't sell that separately. So here we are, but it looks a little bit different than the one I ordered, but I'm pretty sure it's the same one. Yes, it is. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So this little piece here goes on and clips onto the tripod. So, hold on. Or not. Okay, it's just stiff. So right here it clips on and you just attach it right back on, and then you use the tripod like nothing. So this is what I came for. This one is so much more sturdier and it's just really tall also compared to this one that I actually been using for my camera, because this is actually from a ring light and they just brought a tripod for it, and it's so weak and delicate. Like, it just like it's extremely thin compared to this one that is way more thicker. Then this big package is something that I finally ordered, which is for my closet, because now that it is fall and winter's coming up, my closet here at the dorm doesn't have that much space, where it's just a big closet but it needs more things for organizing it. So that's exactly what I got. So I hope this fits into my closet, because I'm gonna be really sad if it doesn't. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. My god, is this for cars? I bought one for cars by accident! Oh my god, I hate myself. I cannot believe I did that. This is what I get. This is what I get for ordering things right away and not looking at it. So like I was saying earlier, I've just been on my computer all day, and that's kind of what is going to be going on for the rest of the day. I don't really have much going on other than just completing homework assignments before I go on with my weekend, and usually over the weekend I go home. So I think I'm just going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, and if you guys want me to do more vlogs, then I definitely can if you guys are enjoying them. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!